Will task contents be copied with reports? If the task's contents will be copied with reports depends on the setting the RepTool administrator has done in the configuration of the RepTool. As in principle, a task is given for the delivery of a specific fraction in a definite time period, and the next step treatment operator approves with fulfilling the task that he has received the V fraction and what he has done with it. To copy any task content with copying the report is not correct. The other case may be that the treatment operator sends the same fraction for a long time period to the same next step operator, and the fractions, all processes and results stay the same. In this case, copying the task content makes life easier. Let's do a copy of the report with tasks. If the RepTool administrator has chosen to copy the task contents, the task contents will be copied and recalculated on base of the new input weight of the new copied report. Recalculated results will be inserted to the new report. Tasks set to done by the fulfiller will be reset to in process. As sender of the tasks, you have to check information like if you still deliver the output fraction to the acceptor chosen, if your output fraction is still the same in composition to expect same results, if you still send 100% of the output fraction to the acceptor chosen, or you have got other acceptors parallel. And you have to ask your next step treatment operator, the fulfiller of the task, to check his data, e.g. if his treatment steps and results are the same. And finally, to set the task to done when finished. In case of changes, you, as sender of the task, have to delete inserted task results manually by deleting the acceptor step as a whole. And in case set a new task again.